Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can apply title case to all texts, text animations and text boxes you add to your video clips on Google Vids in 2026. So let us get started. So guys, let me go with that example video clip here in my video project on Google Vids and select that not slide but scene here at the timeline, on the timeline at the bottom. And let me copy also the text box and also another one to show you how it works in bulk for several texts. Now, as you can see, all of these texts, be it animated or with various effects and filters, feature uppercase, as you can see here. So I would like to change it for all of them. What you need to do is left click into the first text box, hold left shift on your keyboard, select another one with your left mouse and also number 3. Release your left mouse, release also left shift, and after that navigate to format here at the top, hover your mouse over text and use the option at the very bottom and select title case, and that has changed it to title case for each of these selected text boxes. And that's it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.